Step 1, pop your hood. Put your drain pan underneath this drain plug. Drain the oil. You're going to need a 14mm socket. Take out this drain plug here. It's right next to the front differential. Let the oil drain until it stops and it's like a drip here, a drip there. Then you know it's fully empty. When you get the oil filter off, grab you a pair of these deals here. These big oil filter wrench deals. Grab it and you're just gonna lefty-loosey it. And then put your, obviously, make sure you have a drain pan underneath. Leave the filter on for a minute so that you can make sure it falls in your drain pan. And then once the majority comes out, drop it in your face. Make sure to eat oil when it drops. It splashes in your face. Now we're going to sit here, wait for this to stop dripping, and then we're going to put the new filter on. Part number for the filter we're using is S3614. Put the new filter on, tighten it just hand tight. You know, make sure it's tight, but don't use any tools to tighten it. Using 5W30 high mileage. And you're going to put 7 quarts. So get a funnel, take the cap off, put the funnel. You're going to put 7 quarts in there. Run it for 30 seconds, and then we're going to check the fluid level. You want it in between, preferably about 3/4 of the way to the top dot. So wipe it off real nice. After you, obviously we're doing all this after we ran it for 30 seconds or so. And we're at the top dot. So we're going to take the funnel out. We're going to take the funnel out now. We're going to put the cap back. We're going to screw it down. And the oil change is done.